Welcome to the Lotto Head community.
Lotto head, lotto head.
Welcome to the Lotto Head community. What blessings happen for you and me? Let's get it. Welcome to the Lotto Head community.
Lotto head.
Hello, people. It's your boy Dread, man. Keep it locked, man, all day, every day. But nah, this right here is a little switch up, man. Like, I'm pretty good with the lotto. Like, at least I think I am. You know what I mean? So I feel the need to go ahead and give you guys some tips and tricks on how I do it. Now, I'm in Virginia, so with mine, you got to go with hit and miss. Like, whatever's working for you at that time may not work that next week or may not work that next month. In this case, it's the third, and I've hit several times already. But let's get into it. All right, now what I'm gonna start with the first, August the 1st, 2014. I'm gonna start with that night's drawing, and this is what I'm about to break it down to. I'm gonna put my drawings in I'm gonna put it in blue, and I'm using paint, so bear with the handwriting and the drawing and doodling and everything. So just bear with me. So first, what you want to do, you want to take that night's hit or maybe that day's hit. I haven't quite figured out days as I want to, but nights, like, I'm pretty good. I'm pretty decent with it, like, at least for now anyway, because it's early in the month. But let's get started. The hit was 058. So what we're going to do, we're going to put 0, 0, 5, 8 in the first box. And label, get your boxes like I have mine. Your first box is going to be minus, the second is going to be plus, next is going to be plus 5, minus 3 at the bottom is going to be plus 5, minus 2 at the bottom of the last box. So let's continue. The second box is going to be the same as the first. You're going to put 0. Again, excuse the handwriting, well, mouse writing. 058. That's going to be and there we go, perfect 8. But look, this right here may work for your state. So I mean, I just say give it a try, hit or miss, whatever. It's all a gamble, but just give it a try. All right, now 0158. Now in these two boxes, your hit is going to go straight across. So that's going to be 0, 5, 8. This is what hit the night before. This is how we're finding this out. 0, 5. Whoa, what's that? What's going on with that right there? 0, 5. Man, and this is for pick 3, cash 3, however your game is labeled. This is what it is. All right, so that's my hit. This is my hit. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick a color. Let's just use. Do we want to use orange? Let's use green. Let's use green. That's money. All right, so 08. All right, so we're gonna stop this first box. We got our hit in. Our hit was 058 last night. Let's say last night. So tonight we're gonna find our hit for tonight, possibly a good hit. All right, so from this side, from 8, you're going to start from the bottom corner. From 8, you're going to go down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. All right. Now, in the next box, you're going to go up, of course. 9, 10, and of course, if you're playing lotto or if you're just starting out, you don't use 1 and 0. You use 0. It's all a big cycle. So 9, 10, 11 would be a 1, 12 would be a 2, 13 would be a 3. Whoa, that's a 3. Okay, and 14 would be a 4. All right, now that's that. That's your first box. These two boxes right here, and they're pretty decent. We're gonna get to that. All right, now in this box, you take your hit, which we can start from the 0 or from the 8, whichever floats your boat. We're gonna add 5. That's what's gonna end up in this top box. So 5 plus 0, 5 or 5 plus 10, 15, same number, 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, which is gonna leave us with 0. 5 plus 8 is 13, which is gonna leave us with a 3. And we can go ahead and just put the same number in this other box because it's the same method, the same rule that applies. 5, 0, 3. 503. All right, now coming back to the third box, what you're gonna do, you're gonna minus 3. You're gonna subtract 3. So that'll be 10 subtract 3, which gives you 7. 5 subtract 3 will give you 2. 8 subtract 3 will give you 5. And now on this side, you're going to minus 2. You're going to subtract 2. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 2 is 6. All right. Now we're going to change our color for red. Now, if you look at these boxes, it'll tell you in which 058, right? Now that's the hit that came out last night. Now the night before, let's use what do we want to use? Let's use purple. The night before it came 2, 3, 4. That's the night before. And it came 2, 3, 4. That's the night before 058 hit, excuse me. Okay? So all right, that's there. So like it's possible that it could repeat. So if you want to, you could put it back in. You know what I mean? But what I did when I seen that 2, 3, 4 there, I went to this next box of the 058 right here, these boxes right here with the +5. I went to the next box with red. And what I did, I played the corners like 2, 3, 4. I played 0, 3, 8. 0, 3, 8. And lastly but not least, what I did was I just looked at it like, of course, it's going to be the same number there. That's why I say it's hit and miss. It's going to be the same number. 503 is going to be there. 503 is going to be in this box. But as you can see, 038 is in that corner. 038 is in this corner. Same as the 234 was in this corner. And that's the hit that came that night before. So in the lotto world, I'm just like, okay, if 234 hit and 058 hit, all right, so what are we looking at now? 567? No, they're not going to send a 567. Why would they do that, you know? Or 109? Maybe. 072? Maybe. 083. And again, like 083 is right there. 083. So basically, what I played 083. I played 083 along with some other methods that I used, but like this was the one that nailed it. 083. So I had in 083. And I don't know how you guys lotto is set up, but I played it 50-50, 50 cent exact, 50 cent any order. So that night, the number fell. I kid you not. Like, you can look it up or whatever. The number fell. But what my mistake was, I didn't play 038, just like the 234 came right here. 2, 3, 4. And that's exactly how it came. So it came, the number fell 038. So there you have it, right there. Boom. That would have been that check mark. That would have been an exact hit. So if you would have played 50-50, you would have got, in Virginia, you would have got 250. You would have got 250 for that exact hit, plus the $40 that you hit for any order if you played 50-50. I mean, and that's my strategy right there. And that's, I mean, like I said, it's early in the month, so if they continue doing things like this, it's not gonna last long, especially being that people will probably catch on to it or whatever. But this right here is just a method in which, if you out here playing lotto, if any of my dreadheads that watch my channel, any of you guys into the gambling, the casinos or whatever, but like, I'm a gambler. Like, I do play the lottos. I like dealing with numbers. So this right here is just a quick method. Excuse the paint job, whatever. Hopefully you got the gist of what I'm saying. And yeah, that'll be it. So 038, and right now I'm about to go work out the number for tonight, last night came 038, which 038 came 8/2/2014, came August 2nd, 2014 during the nighttime. And again, if you come up with a number, like say you came up with 038, play it during the daytime. You know what I mean? Like, you came up with 038 the night 058 came, play it during the daytime and play it during the nighttime. So therefore you won't miss out, and that's what I did. I played it both times, and that's when I figured, okay, the 058. This is the first time that this has happened. Like you go from the night's drawing to the night's drawing. You match drawings to drawing. You match the day drawing to the next day's drawing, or the previous day to the next day's drawing. If you get the gist of what I'm saying. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, thumbs up, comment, questions, or whatever, man. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, man. I'm about to broaden my channel. So like dreadlocks, man, keep it dreaded. Beard gang, keep it bearded. Yo, gamblers, win more than you lose. All right, I'm out.